Hey folks, we got Monster out here today. So today, we got a review here. This is something about Christmas. So here, I got this, the Elf on the Shelf Christmas edition. So, if you guys celebrate Christmas, please leave a comment and let me know if you do. Alright, so, this is my first time getting this full set. Last time I was letting you know. Okay. So here's what it says on the back of the box. So you got a note. It says, "From my family to yours. This charming tradition began for our family when my children was very small. Like most children in those ages, they learned of Santa really knew who was a naughty and nice. This answer was in my own childhood. It came in the form of a small scout elf. The first time a small scout elf arrived in our home, we officially adopted him by giving him a name. In the following years, Fizby would appear around the holidays, usually in late November or early December. His sole responsibility was to watch over the children daily and report to Santa each night. Upon his return from the North Pole, Fizby would find a new observation point somewhere in the house. What fun it was to watch the children race each other out of bed every morning to be the first to find him. In order to preserve the Scout Elf's Christmas magic, our children were not allowed to touch it, but talking to it was definitely encouraged. I can only imagine how many children's hopes and dreams were shared with Fizby through the years. Having a Scout Elf as our home provided additional benefit. My children were motivated to be on their best behavior. They showed good manners, intended to think before speaking or acting, learning to exercise self-control in a positive lifelong habit. I never dreamed this simple tradition would lead to so many treasured Christmas memories for our entire family. It is my earnest desire that the Elf on the Shelf Christmas tradition will be enjoyed to your family as well. Enjoy this tradition, make this as your own. With my best wish for you and those you love." All right. So, here we are. We're going to open this out of the box. Here we are. All right. So, what we got inside the box? We got a book. And second of all, we got our Scout Elf. Yeah, it's a boy. So, here's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to read this book to you. Hope you like this. This is my third reel out here. All right. Here we are. The Elf on the Shelf on the Christmas edition. Here we are. Okay. Have you ever wondered how Santa could know if you're naughty or nice as you grow? For hundreds of years, it has been a secret, and now can be shared if you promise to keep it. Yeah, see, the kids were thinking, and there's Santa. Yeah, he's doing research here. Just check if people have been good or not. That's important. At holiday time, Santa sends me to you. I watch and report on all that you do. Yes, it's true. You gotta be careful what you do. You don't want to do anything bad. My job is an assignment from Santa himself. I am his helper, a friendly Scout Elf. The first time I come to the place you call home, you quickly must give me a name of my own. Once you are finished, my mission can start. What will you call me? Marco or Zart? Will it be Fido, Criddle, or Clyde? Fizby's cute too, but you must decide. Yeah, see the kids write some names here: Fred, Marquis, Zart, Fizby, Criddle, Oodle, Foodle. Or Fido, I should say. Each night, while you're sleeping, To Santa, I'll fly to the North Pole right through the dark sky. Of course, Christmas magic helps me to be quick. I laugh with my friend and I report to Saint Nick. My friends. Yeah, my friends. I tell him you have been good or been bad. Good or bad. The news of that day makes him happy or sad. A push of it or a shove, I report to the boss. But small acts of kindness will not be a loss. In the car, at the park, or even at school, the world will get out if you broke a rule. Okay, I gotta make sure I be good, of course. I'll be back at your home before you're awake. And then you must find a new spot I will take. You'll jump out of bed and come running to see. Who will be the first to spy little old me? Maybe the kitchen, maybe the bathroom, or den is where you'll find me, your special elf friend. I can hide on a plant, a shelf, or a frame. Where will I be? Let's make it a game. There's only one rule you have to follow, so I will come back and here tomorrow. Please do not touch me. My magic might go. Santa won't hear all I've seen or I know. Yes, indeed. Do not touch the elf. You do not want him to lose magic. I won't get to tell him that you said your prayers or helped to bake cookies or clean off the stairs. How will he know how good you have been? He might start to think you forgot about him. I can't speak to you, so says Santa Claus. All the elves had to follow his laws. Now listen to you, tell me your wishes. Would you like a game or some tiny toy dishes? The gleam in my eye and a bright little smile shows you I'm listening and noting your file. Yeah, I remember a friend at school, he recommended to me and I can do that. Might give it a try and see how it works. My final decision with Santa now rests. What do you think? Will you get your requests? Not for Christmas. My job's at an end. The rest of the year with Santa, I'll spend. Yes, that's right. So blow me a kiss and bid me farewell. I'll fly away when I hear Santa's bell. Of course I will miss you, but wait till next year when the holidays come, I'll again reappear. All right, so that's the story. Sorry, I'm not done yet. Yeah. Until then, I wish every girl and each boy a Christmas peace and a year full of joy. All right. Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do, now I read the book. Next, I'm gonna give it a name. All right, I think black can work. Okay. So make sure I have the right pen. Oh, this pen's not working. Oh yeah, gotta make sure I have the right pen. Make sure the pen's right. Okay, so now we're gonna name it. Okay, this pen's working.
It has to be on a sure. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure. Test my pens. Yes. Sure. Alright, first I'm gonna make sure I'm right.
Alright, perfect. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this down for the jar. Family. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot. On. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's see. It just came today, so I'll just put it. November 20th, 2023. Family. Welcome our scout elf. That shouldn't be the name. Let's see. Alright. I was thinking I'm gonna name him okay. Let's name him okay, slot. Okay, I will choose Buddy. All right. So, yep. Couldn't make a mistake. Maybe cross it out. Or much else family. Osborne. Family, home, family. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna put it there. I gotta make something better. So I'm family, home, family. So. We get elf. All right. We got our elf. So we can only touch him when we take out of the box. Yeah, I can take the sticker out. Okay. Place him in the corner.
So you guys need some scissors for that. Cut them out of the box. Just gonna put them out of the box here. Okay. All right. Just gotta take them out of the box. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, found it. Twist it out. Okay. There he goes. So I'm gonna place him in the corner. Okay, let's see. Let's place him right. Here.
Hey, Aman,
Yeah.
let's go. Your dentist appointment is here.
Okay. Let's split it. All right, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Yeah, new spot for the elf. Right there. All right, so that's Buddy. See you soon.